Hi, I'm Nigel Cogram from .origin. In the following video, we're going to show how you can converge your physical access control system with your existing IT infrastructure using our EdgeConnector software product. There are three key benefits to EdgeConnector to your business. The first being we use a common database, allowing the streamlining of management processes. Secondly is the real-time knowledge of a user's physical location, allowing you to deploy critical IT resources based on this information. Thirdly, using your existing IT infrastructure to expand your system over your LAN or WAN network. In this video, I'm going to show how some of those critical processes can be streamlined, such as the onboarding and offboarding of staff, helping to avoid the all too common issue of staff having continued access after leaving the business. This is all done using Microsoft Active Directory. So looking at the computers and users on Active Directory, we can see that EdgeConnector has created its own OU, which create further OUs under areas, door groups, doors, etc., which is what it requires to be able to manage the access control. The users for both your IT and physical come under your standard user OU. I have an account, as we can see. We'll highlight Nigel Cogram. Currently, I have access to the main entrance door. As we can see, very quickly though, we can disable the account, which now does not give me access to the front door. So as we can see, using role-based security profiles makes administration for both physical and logical rights a much simpler process. I'm now going to demonstrate how we can change those rights, and those rights will change the access rights I have at individual doors. We will now enable the account. So my current profile is an IT manager with access to the main entrance and the server room within the office. And we can demonstrate that as looking at the profile of the account. Under properties, we can go member of, and we can see that I'm an IT manager and I am also in the office area currently. We can now go to the IT room, present the card at the IT door. I can enter my PIN number. This allows me access. We have to cancel, we have to refresh the user account. We can then look at the properties of that account, look in the member of, and we can see that I've moved out of the office area, but I'm still an IT manager. The company has decided that it needs a chief information officer, and therefore my role as an IT manager is going to be revoked. So we remove that role. We can now add the role of chief, and we can check the names and go OK. We can then apply those changes. Now, this particular role doesn't allow access to the IT suite. So although we gain access to the front door, we no longer have access to the door within the IT suite. Very good for using Active Directory. However, not all users will be allowed access to Active Directory. So we have the EdgeConnector Manager software, which can make changes to the user's profile for their door access. So the company has decided to remove my role and push me back to being the IT manager. We can now OK that. If we now go back into computers and users and look at my account, we will now see that under member of, I have been removed and pushed back into being an IT manager, which now allows me access to the front door and also to the IT suite. So implementing those changes within Active Directory or Edge Manager is very simple. Also though, using your identity access management applications, these same changes could take place. So, in summary, the EdgeConnector approach of converging both the physical and logical profiles of a user allows us to streamline the management processes and also use existing infrastructure to be able to increase our return on investment.